How checks are handled changed on September 11th, 2001. This is lesson number 9 in 20 lessons that I have produced. I'm Chet Bruce, and I'm mad as hell about how merchants are being treated by merchant services credit card processing companies. I've done something about it. I've produced 20 lessons to teach how to negotiate a better contract. Here's a sample of one of those lessons. I don't have to ask you what happened on 9/11/01. In addition to the common knowledge about that day, a disaster took place within the banking industry. Most people don't realize it, but every check written today must pass through the Federal Reserve before going to the local bank. All those checks are carried by airplane. Now, since since airplanes couldn't fly during that period of time, the banking industry and the American economy took a multi-billion-dollar loss. Due to that, Congress passed a law called Check 21. Then that law says that all checks eventually must be deposited and processed electronically. Get ready, you're going to have to do it. The credit card processors acted immediately and jumped right on that. They created programs that processed and guaranteed checks. Well, the guarantee programs require upgraded terminals, minimum monthly fees, discount rates, and transaction fees just like credit cards do. The only problem is that those contracts charge very high fees that we just went through, but they're written to exclude a large number of declined checks. Bottom line, good deal for the processors, not such a good deal for the merchants. Well, that's one of the 20. Let me ask you a question now. How would you feel if you knew more about your merchant credit card payment processing account than any salesman that would call on you? Well, you can. All you have to do is get all of the information that you absolutely need to negotiate the very best payment processing contract available. And the best part, it's all at no cost and no obligation. Just visit www.c4aba.info. That's an info site, not a .com. Get the 20 lessons and a lot more. Know once and for all that you're being treated the way you deserve to be treated. Thanks. I'll see you there.